Alright, what's up guys? Brand new opening. We have Maximum Gold. We have a full display box or display case. I'm going to do a stunning opening for you guys today. We'll do... Here you want to start off?
Sure.
Go ahead, enjoy yourself.
Oh my god. Do you have Excalibur?
Stunning packaging.
Oh, no Excalibur. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, you gotta use your
God,
fingers.
what? I don't have nails. Oh, man.
Do you need my keys?
Yeah, I should have brought my pocket knife for keys or something.
Yeah, I got you.
Kids, don't bite your nails. It's, it doesn't help. You can't open up your Yu-Gi-Oh products.
Here.
It's too late. You're too late. You're not helpful. Look at this big packaging. I wonder how many packs could possibly come in here.
Oh my god, there's another sticker.
Wait, what the hell?
Just shred it, just shred it.
Is there a sticker?
Yeah.
Oh my dear god, I don't have it. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool beans. Wow, look at all that wasted cardboard. Okay. It's beautiful.
Pretty new deal.
Alright, so we're looking for Appaloosa, right? And Imperm, all that beautiful stuff. Y'all seen how beautiful some of these cards are. Alright, Lost World, Meltdown, Bear Statue Win, that's beautiful. Machine Dupe, Burning Mirage, Utopia the Lightning, that actually looks nice.
I'm blind.
Grappa, and they didn't even print the other ones. That's kind of embarrassing.
Gold letters.
Gold,
Common art.
I was blind.
Common Art gold letters. Literally a downgrade from his original print.
That looks pretty cool.
It looks nice though. Necro, Valley Throne, Dark. Ooh,
That
that's
is stunning.
that looks so good. Holy crap, that actually looks amazing. Fire Formation, I don't care. Oh my god,
Gold and
it
I'm
doesn't get any
sorry,
golden than this.
But it looks like one of those
got
Chinese Yu-Gi-Oh knockoffs.
Hey,
Ooh.
hey, stay positive. This
No,
is not
I'm just
okay.
saying,
I'm not
that's
even
what
gonna
it
listen to
looks
that.
Oh, goat boys.
I'm not even gonna listen to that sort of negative and disgusting sort of discussion.
There's no need to be so violent, people. There's no need. There's gold for everybody.
That's what it looks like far away.
Go, 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 go. Wow.
That looks nice.
This is actually going to be a really cool collector's item,
That's
so
really nice.
I'm not really upset about that. Temple of the
I'm not upset
Six,
about anything.
contract.
Wow.
Ah, Kagari.
That's exactly
Yes.
what you wanted.
Wait, it's not the alternate art? Oh, yeah, it can come alternate art, right?
Can come alternate art.
That's right. So you get
That
this
looks-
one and then the alternate. It still looks beautiful.
Wait, so
though.
how many packs are there total in this package?
There's 4 packs.
Bro, it's a good. That's good. I thought it was only 2.
Each one has 2
And
golds.
Secret Sword.
There's 2 golds and there's 4, so you get 8 golds in one. That's really good, actually.
It's not bad.
And there's, what, 55 golds total, I think?
Yeah.
That's way better than I thought it was gonna be.
Alright, last one. Brotherhood, don't care. Union Scramble, that's cool.
That's good.
Hey!
Damn, that looks nice.
Congratulations.
That's
Wow.
beautiful.
Jesus.
That looks great.
That is a good one. That's a good
Harvester
reprint,
Dragon.
actually.
And-
Oh no, it's
You've been on-
feet,
you've been on
dude.
the fire,
It's
Wow.
feet. Look at those feet,
That's like the
dude.
box. Yo, this has been a really good box.
That's a
That
freaking
can only
God
mean one
box.
thing. One thing is, you know, our boxes have to suck. You're next.
Is that? I can't, it's focus. Tuning. It's tuning, guys. Believe me.
All right, go ahead.
All right, who's
You're
next?
Damn, that
I'll
was
be
really,
next.
really good. Wow.
What a box.
All right, get in there. That was actually really impressive.
You can tell which ones are the gold. Look at it. It looks
Yep.
like they're stained on the side.
Alright, I'm gonna
They
start
look
with this side
stained.
first.
That was actually really insane.
That's a great
Let's
box.
start with this
All you were
side.
missing was what, Appaloosa? I mean,
Appaloosa.
Appaloosa and Imperm.
Maybe.
That would have
No
been
complaints.
nice.
No complaints.
C101.
Good
Union Scramble.
Wow.
Oh, Harpies!
Another
Hello. Welsh Knights. Cosmo Town.
People
For
were
all of Cosmo
clamoring for
people.
that reprint, yeah.
We've got the Fire Kings and Phantom Beast that nobody cares about.
Impala's not bad. Let's not.
I don't know what it does.
I really
If it doesn't make tokens, then we don't want it.
Don't they all make tokens?
I don't know.
Impala's a tuner, though, so it's important. Let's
Right
not,
now, all the
Let's not
players
discard
are.
it.
Let's not.
Ooh, Infernoble. So you can have this.
Was that
That's
Stratos?
not-
Tachyon. Ooh, Stratos alternate.
Stunning.
That looks really cool, actually. It looks
does.
better in person.
Miracle Contracts. Cyber Core.
Tour guide.
And
Tour
Tour
Guide.
Guide
You
Alterar.
needed that.
Who said
And
that?
True Nade.
Somebody out there needs it, right?
I would hope so. Otherwise, it'd be a little.
I mean,
bit
I need Tour
violent.
Guides. I'll take Tour Guides.
Is that
If I want to make the
That's the second art.
the
That's
PK version
that's the
of
same
Burning
one
Abyss
from,
with Phantom Knights.
from the
So was
Duel-
it Duel Overload?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was Overload.
Just taking a rest.
Let's take it a rest. Ooh,
that's
there
sick.
we go.
Not even
Doesn't
Yo,
look
that
so
looks
bad.
amazing.
That's great.
That's
Unexpected
a
die,
collector's
not
piece.
bad.
I didn't even know this was in here. I'll trade you for
Master
this.
Blade, 74.
Of course you do.
Ooh, Chalk and
Oh
Eye.
shit!
Shocker,
You
that's
know
a good
people are gonna be
reprint.
looking for
Yep.
that.
Lady Debug. Yeah, I was looking for those.
So this is
So were Mirror
Storm.
Force.
Lady Debug. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Last
god.
one.
I need another one of those.
Bro, this shit.
Joe looks hard.
This looks like it's from the anime.
That looks stunning as shit.
Coach Soldier. Oh, I see an Element the Hero thingy.
That's a good reprint right there. The
Yeah.
Oh, what is
they're
this?
looking
Oh, the
at-
Buster Blader
they're,
guy.
they're like out of print by 4 years.
Harold.
God
Oh,
damn,
that's
that looks
really
shiny
good.
as shit.
Yeah, it's
You can't
super
even like
shiny.
capture the.
It's got magic
Barrier
on it.
Statue Light, not bad.
And
And then the
Ince.
other. I actually need one of these, so that's really nice to have.
So far, this has been
Brotherhood.
really a positive
Yeah,
experience.
Mage Power.
Mage Power.
Yeah,
Really good
Mage
box.
Power.
it's been productive.
Oh, thank you for leaving that, by the way.
No problem.
Alright, so
Sleeve the
you're
blue
up.
eyes. How nice.
Well, I'm probably gonna trade you for it, so yeah. That's a little selfish.
Freaking blue eyes man over here.
I am Blue Eyes Man. I have all the other blue
coming
eyes. Dark Magician, screw Dark Magician. Blue Eyes is the way to
Blue
go.
Eyes is
Blue eyes
king.
is king. Let's not be like crazy here.
All right, maximum gold. Let's see, 4 packs. Yeah, they're all pre-cut now. Ready for this? Ooh,
Oh.
Mecha Phantomies,
Draco
Draco
Sack.
Sack,
Oh, Draco Sack.
Buster
Classic.
Blader, Madolce Hoot Cake.
That
That's a
people
good one.
wanted that.
Dark
Oh,
Magician,
hey, go-
Ash Blossom.
Add
One after the
you want
other.
to trade ashes? I don't want feet, dude. Can
You
I get that one?
Oh,
I don't know.
Could you sleeve these up real quick?
Maybe you
I'll
should
see
make a
one.
poll. Head, forehead, or
sleeves.
feet?
The sleeves. What I do with them?
I don't know.
Hey, don't push me.
There you go. There you go. Maximum gold. Pack 2 of 4. Necro Valley Throne. That's not bad. Foolish Burial.
Because we could always use
Oh,
that.
yeah. Good.
Utopia Beyond.
Beyond.
Anti-Magic
That's a
Arrows.
good
That's a good
reprint.
reprint, yeah. Miscellaneousaurus.
Oh.
Wow.
Getting to one. That's what you're
That is-
doing.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful, actually.
The older art of cards looks better gold than new art. Because they're much more prominent on borders. So everything looks just so much better. Holy shit, that looks nice.
Let's see. All right, Dark Lord Ixchel. It's an okay reprint. Ooh, but Beatrice.
Oh, that looks so good!
Ooh.
Starlight
Other
Mistake.
golds.
Infernity Mirage.
Random.
DD Warrior Lady.
Yo, let me get that. Where's she at?
You need that?
No, but I much prefer this than that ugly
The other
Old.
gold.
gold.
Old gold.
print, yeah.
First Monarch, actually not bad. Extra Foolish Beard. Oh, it's another one I
Oh,
need.
it's another
Chaos Dragon
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Nice.
All I need is Blue Eyes, and then this set can go to hell. Speedroid. Polymerization. That's actually, yo, that
See,
looks
look
like
how
it's
good that
out of the
looks.
anime.
All
That looks
the
really nice.
freaking
And
older
Traptrix
cards.
Mermelio is actually a really good one too.
All the old artwork looks amazing.
Mermelio is like a $3 rare, so
This is a flex, like later down the line.
yeah, I'm definitely good
Okay.
thing to keep that.
Oh, poly.
Polarization.
Yeah, it's nice.
Now the rarities in this look really nice. This looks like the first gold rares, because the first gold rares look really good and these look really good.
Just struggling with the packaging. That's
It's
all. Too hard.
it's like a layer, and then it's a sticker.
You have your own heartbeat put her back, I guess.
Sure.
Gigant.
Ooh,
Ooh, Monster
Monster
Reborn.
Reborn.
Beautiful. Speedroid Takatomborg, Synchron Carrier, Ghost Ogre,
Still like
Set
the art
Rotation,
better than
and
the,
DD Warrior Lady.
There's a new art, yeah.
Put Set Rotation to 3, please.
No, please no.
I love Set Rotation.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. The fine players also agree.
I don't care. It's their fault. Eater of Millions, Dark Lord. Ooh, Lancia.
That's, oh, that's good.
It's not bad either. Shared Ride. Cosmo Dark Destroyer.
Another reprint that needed to happen.
This is all reprints. There's nothing new in here.
Yeah, but people like they have so much trouble trying to find some of this stuff.
Yo,
These-
these gold borders make the cards feel like so weird. Because the
Go
Do you think
Geeks.
you play if you play
Monarchs.
that tournament? They're gonna
Wow.
call the judge on you because the card's heavier.
Another tour guide.
card over
Polymerization.
has the like the layered embossed.
Wait, did you get the alternate art last time or the original?
We got alternate.
That looks like the
Yeah,
ultimate
I'm
art.
cool.
Okay.
Word.
I like the original better. I'm not gonna lie.
All right.
Two
Union
colors,
Scramble.
But you have the
Tour
guy.
guide.
Oh, well, speak of the devil.
Unexpected Die. Elder Entity. Mermelio. Foolish Burial Goods.
Yeah, I much prefer this art. There's less going on.
Where's
on
that
this one.
Appaloosa? That's the real question.
Yeah, where is she?
But you had the thing with the binoculars.
Where is the Appaloosa?
Maybe she's
That's
shorted.
beautiful.
because why we didn't pull it in 4 boxes. That means it's automatically
small
shorted.
case.
It's like
That's how they call them.
you guys are so dramatic. Dianea, Drought, Phantasme,
I don't like that art. Oh, that
Infinity.
looks good.
Yeah.
and 2 more.
That's the
cards
goodie.
there.
Man, when that gold was announced in the OCG, that was so nice.
PB would be proud. I'm
Morningstar,
gonna need that
Geargia
card.
X, Machine Duplication.
Ooh, really?
Ooh. And Metal Marcher.
Metal March.
Dang.
That card needs to get banned.
Hey, stop
Ban
it.
already.
Don't ban it.
Ban it.
Every combo video I upload has it. Don't do it.
Instant irrelevancy.
Don't do it. Every single one has it. Union Scramble. We know this is not short printed. Stratos,
Right.
Again.
Cosmo Town,
Again.
and that's it for that.
And your favorite not going to 3 card.
What's not going to 3?
That's that rotation.
Set rotation. I hope it goes to 3. All right. Eater of
Last
Millions.
one.
Ghost Ogre,
Ghost
alternate
Ogre,
art,
alternate
Transcode
art.
Talker, lose 1 turn. House
House.
Dragon Maid. Who needs
House.
this?
Roadhouse.
Who needs that?
Nobody.
You play Dragon Maids.
I have the whole core.
You gave up.
Not really.
All right, let
just
me
haven't built it.
just give me the gold rares. We'll just recap real quick. You don't have to give me the gold
Look at
letters.
this defect.
What's the defect?
Yeah, bump,
He
dude.
got shot.
He took a hit.
Wait, where?
Right there. He got hit hard.
Let's see. Maybe there was
You
all
didn't-
that.
Are you
Oh, yeah.
blind?
Oh, there it is. You're
Looks like she got shot.
I mean, he is wearing.
Let me get another one there.
glasses.
Another sleeve
That's
for.
kind of a silly question to ask someone who's
Woo!
wearing glasses.
All right.
Wow,
we're
what a quick opening.
exciting
That
and
happened
right to the
fast.
point.
That's how life is. It goes fast.
Oh, I guess I should probably have sleeved up.
You don't have to sleeve it. It'll actually make it less confusing
Yeah,
if yours
yeah.
aren't unsleeved.
Oh,
Yeah,
there we
well,
go.
that's what we're doing because I'm just gonna give you for the recap.
Hey, you got a Golden Lord. I forgot all about that. That's one of the selling points of this set is Golden Lord. Right, there are yours, and then let me get yours.
Put his on top.
Yeah, it's
There
less
you go.
confusing. All right, so
All right,
the
recap.
gold rare we got Herald, Chakanine, Stratos,
Guide.
Tour Guide, Harpy's Feather Duster, Cosmo Town,
Beautiful blue eyes.
soon to be my blue eyes, Infernity Mirage, Utopia Lightning, Levineer, Golden Lord Gaia. Let's
Sorry.
some more of those. There you go. Ghost Ogre, Chaos, and they're all miscellaneous sources. All right, so
They're all miscellaneous.
pretty much.
A nice mix.
Yeah, it's a nice mix. We didn't get Appaloosa, but screw Appaloosa.
Hey.
They're stupid bow.
Hands off my bay.
And that is it. That is everything. All the rares we're not going to show you, but thank you for watching, guys.